Yoga is more than just a way to stretch and relax. It's a powerful tool for controlling your heart rate and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Whether you're looking to calm your mind, manage stress, or simply improve your heart health, yoga offers a variety of practices that can help you achieve a lower and more stable heart rate. In this video, we're going to explore how specific yoga poses and breathing techniques can help you gain better control over your heart rate, bringing both your body and mind into balance. Why yoga is effective for heart rate control. Yoga is unique in its ability to influence the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary functions like your heart rate. By combining physical postures, asana, controlled breathing, pranayama, and mindfulness, yoga helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. This activation encourages your heart rate to slow down, reduces blood pressure, and brings about a state of relaxation. Key yoga poses for lowering heart rate. Let's dive into some specific yoga poses that are particularly effective for lowering your heart rate. 1. Child's pose, balasana. Child's pose is a gentle resting posture that helps to calm the nervous system and reduce heart rate. To practice this pose: 1. Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. 2. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the mat. 3. Breathe deeply and relax in this position, focusing on releasing tension in your body. This pose is particularly useful at the beginning or end of a yoga session to ground yourself and connect with your breath. 2. Standing forward bend, uttanasana. This pose helps to release tension in the back and neck, which can contribute to a slower heart rate. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly bend forward at the hips, letting your head and arms hang down toward the floor. 2. Keep a slight bend in your knees to avoid straining your lower back. 3. Hold onto your elbows with the opposite hands to deepen the stretch, and let gravity do the work. As you hang forward, focus on slow, deep breaths, which will help lower your heart rate and encourage relaxation. 3. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. This restorative pose is excellent for reducing heart rate and improving circulation. 1. Sit with one side of your body against a wall. 2. Swing your legs up onto the wall as you lie down on your back. 3. Adjust your body so that your legs are straight up against the wall and your lower back is supported by the floor. This inverted position helps reduce heart rate by promoting venous return to the heart and encouraging a calm, restful state. Stay in this pose for 5 to 10 minutes, breathing deeply. 4. Corpse pose, Savasana. Often practiced at the end of a yoga session, Savasana is essential for fully relaxing the body and mind. 1. Lie flat on your back with your arms at your sides, palms facing up. 2. Spread your legs slightly, allowing your feet to fall open naturally. 3. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, letting go of all tension in your body. This pose is incredibly powerful for lowering heart rate and encouraging deep relaxation. It's a time to integrate the benefits of your practice and enter a state of complete rest. Pranayama. Breathing techniques for heart rate control. In addition to yoga poses, specific breathing techniques, known as pranayama, are highly effective for controlling your heart rate. Here are 2 techniques to try. 1. Deep belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. This simple technique involves breathing deeply into your abdomen rather than shallowly into your chest. 1. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. 2. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. 3. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to rise as you fill your lungs with air. 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Deep belly breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and helping to lower your heart rate. 2. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. This balancing pranayama technique helps calm the mind and regulate the heartbeat. 1. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. 2. Close your right nostril with your right thumb, and inhale slowly through your left nostril. 3. Close your left nostril with your right ring finger, and exhale slowly through your right nostril. 4. Inhale through your right nostril, then close it and exhale through your left nostril. Repeat this cycle for several minutes. This practice balances the flow of energy in your body, calms the mind, and helps stabilize the heart rate. Mindfulness and meditation for a calmer heart. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your yoga practice can further enhance your ability to control your heart rate. Here's how. 1. Focus on the present moment. Mindfulness encourages you to stay present and focused on your breath, body sensations, and surroundings, which can help prevent stress-related spikes in heart rate. 2. Guided meditation. Listening to a guided meditation can help you enter a deep state of relaxation, lowering your heart rate and reducing anxiety. 3. Mantra meditation. Repeating a calming word or phrase, mantra, during meditation can help focus the mind and bring about a peaceful, steady heart rate. Conclusion. Yoga offers a holistic approach to heart rate control, combining physical movement, breathwork, and mindfulness to promote a healthy cardiovascular system. By regularly practicing the yoga poses and breathing techniques we've discussed, you can gain better control over your heart rate, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine, and over time, you'll likely notice a more balanced heart rate and a calmer mind. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, and yoga. Thank you for watching.